Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on 36-inch Jennair induction cooktop. That you can see the control board. It's located on the right hand side. This is the Jennair cooktop. I replaced that part. Before I replaced that, I made these two pieces that goes underneath the cooktop. I lift up the cooktop and then put it on top of this, and then I can work on it. To finish the job on this one, to replace the main control board located on the right hand side, customer was getting F47 error code after the power surge. So the installation is done, and now here's the configuration coding here. Every time you replace a display board on induction ranges made by IKEA, Jennair, KitchenAid, Whirlpool, you have to do a configuration if you replace the display board or any of the control boards. If you don't follow up the configuration, the unit will not work. For IKEA, the code is 29. Jennair, those models that I have, you can use 25. The code is 25. For Jennair, different models, you can try 24. On KitchenAid units, you can try 23, 28, 26, unless you know the exact code. Otherwise, these are the code you can try again and again, and it's gonna work. For Whirlpool, it's 27. For ranges, induction ranges, every time you replace a induction board or any part, you don't need any kind of configuration. So I'm going to show you how this works. You have to turn on the unit, and you have to do the configuration in the next 1 minute. If you don't do it within a minute, you have to turn off the unit for 2 minutes and then turn it back on and try again. So I'm gonna go turn on the so the power is on. You're gonna press the lock one time, hold it, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, lock again. After this, you can the CO will show up, and then confirm it. After confirmation, keep pressing the numbers, the timer plus or minus. My code is 25. Every time you press here, it goes to the configuration numbers. I got 25, and I'm gonna press the lock again. It confirms it, and then confirm it back again. Okay, the induction cooktop is ready to go, and it's fixed. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you. We need a pot on those.